Hi everybody. Guess who carried extremely heavy bags again? Yes, I do have more stuff at my parents' apartment still. I just picked up all my winter coats, which is not very light, so had to carry that upstairs, and now I need to unpack all my winter coats, although I don't think I need all of them yet. It's like 20 degrees on some days still, so I don't need like super winter stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna unpack that. And I also did some shopping in Homla again because they still have some sales, and now they have like 50% off on the second item, so I used that to my advantage and bought some flower pots and stuff. I'm gonna show you now. I also just took this cute little basket from my mom, which I think I'm gonna wear it as a fashion statement, but also I can use this home decor when I don't feel like it anymore and when it's winter time and it's just too weird. So yeah, so that was that. So the first thing I got is this ceramic thing for eggs, which was on sale, and it was like under $5. How much was it? €4. Perfect. Yeah, because I don't have any space in my fridge for the eggs. Also, let's hope this did not break. It didn't. Okay, so I got this little candle holder, and I saw another one that's like similar to it from jysk, so I am going to go there and buy another one and put it on my window or something. Also I got 2 flower pots, which I have 2 plants now because I had this one when I moved in, and my mom also gave me this cute little one. Already put it in the pot. So yeah, I have that now, which is gonna look cute on the window, and I'm gonna have another one next to it. A little moment, love it. Yeah, that is everything I bought, I think. Okay, I actually need to repot them, so that's fun. Should I be wearing all white for that? No, but it's fine. Okay, I really doubt I did this the right way, but that should work. So my boyfriend gave me this bouquet like a week ago, and it was super cute. And I noticed that there are these 4 little leaf thingies that I think are eucalyptus, if I visually compared it right. And I always wanted like a dry eucalyptus thing hanging in my bathroom. I will insert some pictures now so you understand what I even am talking about, which is so great because I was going to like buy it to try it out, and now I don't need to, so I'm going to tie these with a little bow and just put them in my bathroom somewhere. We'll see. With all these bags, it feels like it's the move-in day all over again. But I also brought more Vogues for my collection because I have many and I like them and I want to have them in every place I move to. It is very heavy and a pain in the ass, but I do it every time. Oh, I also forgot to show you that I got like a 2-in-1 salt and pepper thingy and the coffee machine. What is it called? Coffee. No, it's not French press. Well, this thing, because I got a filter And yeah, I wasn't sure which one I like more, so I figured it's okay to have both and impress my friends when they come to sleep over and be like, do you want a filtered coffee or do you want this coffee? So yeah, I just finished taking out my winter jackets and I put my summer clothes and like I think 3 more bulky winter, like very, very warm coats up there, and for now we're good. What a great day to film. I just got my tripod and I got this in the mail, which is a huge blanket that I am going to put on my sofa and hope it's not a fail this time, because you remember the story with the case for the sofa if you watched the first vlog. So yeah, let's hope this one works out. Well, is it a bit small? Yes. Is it super soft? Also yes. Should I keep it? I'm not sure, but yeah. Can you believe how perfect the size is? Wow. I bought more stuff. Yeah. So well, this is a bit too dramatic because this whole bag is just 2 pillows. It's not that much stuff. But yeah, basically me and my mom went to a secondhand furniture store. Insert footage here. And it was not a success. There was a lot of stuff, like a lot. I think it's good when you go like initial shopping for a completely empty apartment, because you also have like super cheap chairs and stuff, and if you're willing to do some DIY projects, this is really perfect. But since I don't need furniture and I only need like a few specific things like a salad bowl and like a few cups, it just was not the vibe, which I hate because I really wanted to buy something secondhand, because I feel like in Krakow it's really hard to find those like furniture stores that are good, or like, yeah, good things secondhand, and I just like hate buying so much stuff. But at the same time, I'm not going to buy something I'm not 100% feeling. That's just a promise I made to myself with this apartment, that I'm only going to buy stuff that is like really me, and yeah, maybe that's selfish, I don't know. But yeah, basically I went to jysk again, and honestly it got much cheaper than IKEA. I don't know when that happened, but literally IKEA is so expensive now, especially for like basic stuff, and here I got those pillows and they're like so cheap. I also bought some essentials like the washing machine and the dishwasher stuff. Yes, another set of hangers. I know. 2 of these pillows. Chips. Cute little lamp that works on batteries, which is perfect. I'm just gonna put it here in my living room during the night, because I hate the super bright LED lights that I have, and when everyone comes to visit to me, they like turn on all the lights, and I'm like, I live in the dark, I do not do that. So I need more like small sources of light, then it's more cozy in my opinion. Adult life. Ooh, okay, so I got, oh god, hope they're okay. Yeah, the candle holder, another one for my collection. These cute lights that are like disco ball lights. I'm thinking about either putting them, are they on batteries? Yeah, they're on batteries. So I could put them on my little bar situation, or I could put them on the balcony. Not sure yet, but I'm excited. Batteries. And something else. Oh, yeah, I got 2 more containers for the bathroom for like the cotton pads and stuff. They were so cute, and I was looking at them since the first time I was in jysk, and I just could not resist. Right now, and I feel like a mess. I just started going to the gym 3 days ago, and I'm exhausted. But I thought I'd film this anyway, because I'm not trying to be unrealistic out here. Just showing all of it as it is. Breaking news. Sofa situation. So we changed it again. My mom came to me and she was like, let's try this bed sheet that I have, and I was like, no, it's too small, so it doesn't work. It did work, and it looks better than the white thing that I had. I just need to tuck it in from all the sides. And she also brought this little thing. What's this material called? I'm not sure, but it's like the soft thing, and we cut it in little strings, and when you put it in like the creases, it works. So yeah, DIY'd it as much as we can, but now I'm going to finish it with all the edges and stuff. And in jysk I bought these things. Where is it? Ah, here. I bought these things, and I guess this should help pull it from both sides and like stretch it out more. So we'll try that now. I feel like this vlog completely lost all of its structure. Never mind, I'm gonna keep that hat on, thank you. I'm all wet from the rain. But yeah, I apologize for that, because I don't know, I got distracted at some point, and yeah, I'm not sure where we left off, but I bought more stuff. I went to H&M Home, which is like the biggest in the city, and it was a mistake because there is so much cute stuff. And yeah, I do not want to make this any longer, and I feel like there have been enough updates for now, and we're getting close to like a final result. So let me just show you how I style and where I put all of these items that I just got.